your feed production, like the potato pea, the yam pea, and other tuber crops, we cannot enter in this content or treat them later. The next pea is the potato. Potatoes are one of the most popular root vegetables available worldwide, and throughout the year they are quite cheap to grow and very rich in nutrients. But do you know that eating the skin or the leaves of the potato can provide you more fiber, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and phytochemicals than just consuming the whole potato? Now let me give you the 8 reasons why you should never throw away potato peas. Number 1, potato pea is very good for skin. The pea is a very good source of potassium to human and farm animals. 2, potato peas are also loaded with iron that help support red blood cells function in human and livestock. It is a good source of vitamin B3 that helps cells break down nutrients into usable fuel. B3 helps the cell recover from physiological stress for both human and livestock. It has fiber. The peas give you a good amount of fiber. The fiber is also helpful in keeping metabolism in control, both for human and for livestock. It lowers the risk of cancer in human and heart diseases and type B diabetes in human beings. It is an anti-allergic and immunity beneficial to human and livestock. Potato peas are a natural source of flavonoids, a type of phytonutrient that shows anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which protect your body and that of the livestock against infections and diseases. Therefore, using the potato peas to feed your livestock is a very good source of defense from infections that can ruin your business. The potato peas manages the blood pressure in human. The pea also help in keeping the heart of human and livestock functioning properly. When the heart of the livestock functions properly, that livestock grows well within its environment. It does this because of the content of minerals, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It is good for bones. Potato peas have and contains minerals that are essential for maintaining or maintenance of your livestock bone structure and strengthen the livestock. It's also good also for human beings, not only livestock. These nutrients include iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, copper, and zinc. About 50 to 60% of the magnesium in the body of human and livestock resides in the bone. Consuming or using the potato peas in the livestock feed help in maintaining the bone density and could also reduce the risk of osteoporosis in human beings, especially women after menopause. In conclusion, the potato peas has vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin C1, copper, magnesium, zinc, fat, and protein, calories, and up to 27 grams of total carbohydrates. In fact, the protein content of the skin and flesh is 50-50%. The yam pea. Yam is a tuber crop. Yam is also eaten by human and it's also used for industrial purposes. But in this training, you should know that yam peels are very important in preparing poultry feed. Yam peel is an average sort of energy with metabolizable energy valued ranging from 11.3 to 12.6 megajoule per kilogram. The poultry content ranges from 91.4 to 127 gram per kilogram. High starch content and higher starch digestibility have been reported in yam peel by different scholars. We go to the peels in broiler and layers diet. The importance of peels in broiler and layers diet. There are several studies on the feeding of peel meals to poultry, but recommendations have been quite variable. Several factors include differences in the composition of the peel, processing method, age of birds, and diet composition may all affect the utilization of peeled meal by poultry. The following points I'm going to raise now will show you a summary of some recommendations from different scholars and our own practical experience in using the peels in feeding our livestock in our own farm. The cassava peel has an inclusion of 200 grams of cassava peel. It's very good. It does not compromise good growth in broilers. There is improved weight gain and we get up to 4 kg in 6 weeks. It's also very good and efficient productivity, availability, and comparatively lower in using the cassava peel instead of the maize. There is also low hydrocyanic acid when the cassava peel is processed well under the sun by sun drying it up to 99%. The yam peel in broiler chick give a maximum growth. The yam peel usage in the broiler feed does not affect it at all. It was observed that the yam peel or the yam peel meal of up to 25 kg diet was optimum for broiler growth and carcass strength.